All right, what's going on today, guys? We're back with another bullshit reaction video. We are going to react to this one. Okay, his name is Arc Delio. Okay, and his title is "No One Cares About Your Muscles."
Here's why the gym does not matter. I'm tired of guys that are like, oh, I'm going to the gym, I'm trying to get fit.
I like how he described the least annoying type of gym goer, but let me tell you what I am tired of. I'm tired of every person who has ever made money online trying to act like you're not some bona fide businessman, you make Facebook ads.
I feel like I have a pretty decent tone. I don't need to go to the gym, because you pull up to
So the funny part is the claim he makes right off the bat is he's tired of people make money online. How dare people make a living online? That is a shame, dude. God forbid people provide it for their families with income that's online instead of in person. That's crazy. Says the guy, though, who has a fucking YouTube plaque behind him, okay, for hitting 100K subs, which means that he makes money online too. So the guy is obviously a hypocrite. His hair is fucking all greased and fucked up. And on the end of it, he's got 9 notebooks below the YouTube plaque that are not even opened. He hasn't written in them. He just has them stocked up on the side of the wall because he doesn't know how to hang a simple plaque on the wall. So this guy's got a lot of skills. We can see that already. Also, I do Facebook ads. I don't only do Facebook ads. I run a big agency, does 8 figures a year. This guy, I mean, he doesn't even know how to shave his stash correctly. So we have to really get this stuff improved for him.
Ads.
I feel like I have a pretty decent tone. I don't need to go to the gym, because you pull up to the gym making less than 10K a month.
You don't need to work out the same way you don't need to make 10K a month, but both of those things can drastically improve your life, and completely ignoring one isn't any better than completely ignoring the other.
Pulling up.
Well, it's a lot easier to actually make 10K a month than it is to actually get fit. So you might as well use the money that you're making to then free up time to then get fit. So it's not that you're ignoring one or the other, it's that you're choosing your priorities. So would you rather have really big muscles and look like a tool, or have an actual predictable income, have a path and purpose, and actually be able to generate money either online or in person and not have to worry about bills or the stresses and anxiety of always feeling like you're behind, or just go to the gym and lift metal? That is your choice. That is all about priorities. I don't say that one is better than the other. I'm simply saying that for the people who go to the gym and complain about how they don't have money, then they should be focusing on how to get that first. Then they use money to get access to buy their time back to then work out. There's nothing wrong with that. Especially when you're between the age of 18 to 30, you have time on your side, okay? You can utilize the money that you are making to free up your time, to have more freedom and headspace to make better decisions for you and your body. People are taking this out of context because it's easy to talk shit about the topic. It's what I said in the other videos, that when you have a topic that you can relate to with a little amount of brain cells, right? If I start talking about ads and marketing and websites, only a small percentage of the population can actually contribute to the conversation. But if I just talk about simply lifting metal, everybody and their mom can contribute to the conversation. That's why this stuff gets so much hate, because you don't need much intellect to showcase your opinion on this topic.
In your bull Corolla, and I pull up in my McLaren.
If I bought a McLaren making 10K a month, my accountant would probably have a heart attack.
I pull up.
First of all, that's not what I said. And I did not say that you should buy a McLaren if you make 10K a month. I'm just saying that as a man in America, with all the opportunities that we have, making 10K a month is not really that difficult. Nowhere in my videos or my content do I say that. Again, stretching the limits, short editing, no context.
On my McLaren, it's not even a contest, dude.
If the contest he is talking about is a drag race, me and the Toyota are probably going to lose. But anything else, I would be pretty confident.
No one gives a fuck about your muscles. Most of the guys that go to the gym, I'm sorry to tell you this, but you're stupid. All that pre-workout that you're taking is making you more stupider.
Exercise genuinely increases cognitive function and reduces the risk and speed of cognitive decline, such as dementia. And for a big boy businessman like yourself, some more discipline is never a bad thing if you're trying to make more money. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed.
Dude, this is so funny. How he makes the claim that it helps cognitive, like, dude, come on, bro. If you made more money, you wouldn't be pissed. Like, and also cognitive, you don't even know how to hang up a fucking plaque on the wall. You have no hand-eye coordination anyway. So you should stop going to the gym too. It's like, dude, it's so funny. This guy makes a video, right? Gets 42,000 views in 3 days, right? It's cool. It's dope. But at the same time, dude, this guy looks like he goes to the gym and has muscles, but has no self-awareness to know how to hang up a fucking plaque on the wall or have a business. So it's like he said yes to being a little bit fitter than most and said no to having actual fucking income and having a path and purpose. Look at this guy. All right, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm roasting the next fucker. See you guys in the next one.
Enjoy these